So we do have a couple of solutions to overcome the ARP attack. So one of the solutions is known as IP MAC address binding. What does it exactly mean? Is the switch on the network we try to remember each IP address and the MAC address. This is IP MAC address bounding. As you can see in the binding table, 1.2 is corresponding to BBB, 1.5 is corresponding to AAA, and 1.1 is corresponding to CCC. So when the attacker comes in and is trying to send a fake reply to say, hi BBB, A, B, C, D, E, F, having 1.1. So the attacker is pretending to be the gateway. So when he send it out, when the switch receives the fake reply, it's going to check in the bounding table. And if we find out that this actually is a fake reply, so it will drop the reply. So the switch will say, sorry, you are not the gateway. Another solution to overcome the ARP attack is the static ARP. If you check your ARP table and you saw two different IP addresses sharing the same MAC address, that means you are probably under attack. So why this can happen is because the ARP entry is adding dynamically. So if you use the static entries, the attacker will not be able to change the entry because it's static. So if you want to add the static ARP entry using the Windows command prompt, you can probably use this command to add it. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like a video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and take care.